Hello and welcome back to the channel. Brandon with Davidson Audio, and today we are not doing an install video on an Indian. We're actually doing an install video on this customer's 2023 Street Glide. So this customer, Mr. Todd, came by the shop, wanted an audio package for this 2023 Street Glide, and after demoing our bike, he decided that he wanted to go with a stage 3 audio package, which is a set of 6.5s in the fairing, a 6x9 lid cutting kit, and single 8s mid bass in each bags. This is going to utilize two 800.4 amplifiers up in the fairing. All the equipment will be in the fairing, and then we'll just be wiring to the bags. This is the same system that we did in our Street Glide inside. So we'll give you a little walk around of the bike now, and then we're going to get it pulled in and give you a couple little time lapses of us doing the install throughout the process, and then we'll give you an audio demo of how this bike turned out. Like I said, this is a 2023 Street Glide with a nice custom paint job on it, and this bike has no audio besides the fairings on it. We'll give you a look at the bags to show you. Nothing in the lids, nothing inside the bags. So as you remember, our lid cutting kit's gonna go right in here. Gonna do our mid bass right there. We're gonna go through the bottom of the bag for our quick disconnects that are gonna be on each side panel, route everything up to the fairing. And like I said, this simply has the Harley Davidson speakers in the fairing. It's got the nice upgraded screen on there. So overall, this is a fairly basic audio system on this bike as it is, just the two 6.5s. So we are going to get this pulled into the shop, and we're going to start getting her all taped up, protected, and this install going. Like our Street Glide, this bike has two 804s with the HKI Mini DSP and the NVS Audio T harness, and we utilize the 309 custom audio fairing shroud on this because, as you already know, we like to take every step and precaution that we can to protect our audio equipment, because our customers spend a lot of money with us. We want to make sure we can take every single caution that we can to protect the equipment in the fairing. So from there, we went with a set of the Ground Zero yellow baskets in the fairing, a set of 6.5s. And then for the lids, we utilized the Cicada Audio 6x9 lid cutting kit with those beautiful Hertz SX690 Neo speakers. And then inside the bags, we've got our super clean wiring all in here. We have the Hertz 200L mid bass with the Speed 8-inch rings for the rear of the bag. Nice, clean, simple install on this one. And then if you look from the rear, unless you're really looking for it, you'd have no idea that there's a set of 8s in there. Like I said, unless you really get in here, yeah, you can kind of see it right here. They're nice, hidden, concealed. You never know they're there. So let's go ahead and play you a couple of songs and let Mr. Todd get his bike.
They tryna mess with your mind or something. They tryna play with your grind or something. They wanna see you back off of your calling, yet they tryna mess with your sign or something. For lack of a vision, that people can perish, commit to the climb, even when it hurts. Only two things in life you can control is how you spend time and how hard you work. So hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. Hard work, God first, yeah. To the day I'm in the dirt, yeah. Jesus Christ is Lord, yeah. I know who I serve. I
got the ghost, so I don't need a rose, but I might push a phantom that's right off the lot. I know I'm serving the father of time and it's whether I got on a paddock or not. Handed a goose for the code and they told me to count on my blessings. I counted a lot, stashing my treasure in heaven where it'll get better.
Created a second, that's rapper, that's reverend. They started with Jesus, but I never left it. Think they protected, we tear down your hedges. I gave you the book, but your boys never read it. Don't need your credit, you cannot check on my dress. It's still swinging, I'm Eddie from Tekken. Come to the message, I keep it consecutive.
Damian Lillard.
All right, so we got Mr. Todd here. He's picking up his Street Glide. Todd, what did you think of your system?
Sounds awesome.
Completely happy with it?
Yeah, completely happy. Everything's nice and cleanly done. I can't complain. I'd recommend this place to anybody.
Awesome.
Come, get that stereo system put in here.
Awesome. That's what we strive
Kept my grills for my 6.5s up there. My Harley Davidson grills.
Yep.
They look great. Looks nice.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
one thing we didn't want to mess with, especially is like he said, he's got the OEM 6.5-inch grills. We don't like to touch those if they're the nice ones. If they're the fabric ones, then we replace them. But we're gonna let him get his bike. We've had it for a few days, so Mr. Todd.